Hello everyone, welcome to BMW of West Springfield. My name is Jacob and today I'm excited to talk to you about the brand new fully electric 2022 BMW iX xDrive 50 that we just got here at BMW of West Springfield. To start off, the BMW iX gets as much as 324 miles of range on a full charge. This particular model, due to some specifications that we'll get into later, gets 305 miles of range on a full charge. On a standard 240 volt charging outlet, which you have available at your home, to fully charge the BMW iX takes 12 hours. On a DC fast charger, you can get up to 90 miles of range in as little as 10 minutes. Not only is it fully electric, but due to that fact, it is insanely quick with a 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds, making it quicker than the Mustang Mach-E as well as the Porsche Taycan for all you speed enthusiasts. Due to the fact that it is dual electric motors, it also offers you all-wheel drive, providing 516 horsepower. Unreal for an electric car. Now, let's take a look at some of the other exterior styling features of the BMW iX xDrive 50. Now, to start off, I'd like to talk about BMW's Comfort Access technology. As you can see, the car is locked right now, but as I walk towards the car, it will sense that the key is on me and automatically unlock once I get near it. Not only will it unlock, but on the inside of the vehicle, it will also turn on all of my favorite functions and features waiting for me to get inside. The first thing you'll notice on the BMW iX is the massive kidney grille, as well as the redesigned, slimmer, sleeker LED headlights. The kidney grille on the BMW iX, not only is it emphasized, but it also serves a function. Inside are housed many cameras, sensors, and radars to help you with your suite of safety features, as well as cruise control technology once you're driving this vehicle. The engineers at BMW designed the BMW iX to be as aerodynamic as possible. This vehicle has a drag coefficient of 0.25, which is 0.01 less than the BMW i8. This helps it achieve its impressive electric range. Now, this particular model does come with the 21-inch dark black aero rims. They look amazing, but they do cause this particular model to have 304 miles of range as opposed to the max available. You'll notice that the door handles aren't actually handles. They're more so just holes that you put your hand into. This helps the vehicle be more aerodynamic, and something that I like is that the windows on this car are also frameless. Moving around to the back, you will notice the wind diffuser, which helps the vehicle become more aerodynamic as well. And you will find these sleek tail lights mimicking the sleek LED headlights that you'll find on the front. Now, to open the trunk, of course, you can use the button on the key, the button on the car, or simply use your foot. Once the trunk opens, you'll notice a second set of previously hidden taillights, which need to be there to ensure your safety if you're in a dark area and the trunk is left open. The trunk space on the BMW iX is very spacious, and it also comes with a hidden compartment underneath for more storage. You'll see here that we have the charging kit that goes along with the BMW iX, which can be installed at home to help you give this car a full charge overnight for you to use the next day. Button to close. Now, let's take the BMW iX out for a test drive. So here's what it looks like to test drive the brand new 2022 BMW iX. So the first thing I notice is as I drive, the vehicle does produce almost an electric humming sound. I know this road pretty well, and it does have a decent amount of potholes on it, so we'll be able to see how the suspension handles. Using the BMW voice assistant, I can say, "Hey BMW, get me directions to East Hartford, Connecticut."
Sure, I will have the results for you soon. I have found these 3 entries. Which one should I select? The expected drive time is 34 minutes.
So now you can take a glance at what the built-in navigation system looks like for BMW. And I don't know if you could tell, but we just went over a series of potholes on the road, and the BMW iX handled them.
Bear right toward Holyoke.
The BMW iX handled them exceptionally well. Very smooth. So it still drives like an SUV. Good shocks, good suspension. A pothole certainly will not kill you in this vehicle.
Bear right toward Holyoke.
That's cool. Now on the dashboard, it's using one of the cameras in the built-in grille and using augmented reality to tell me where I have to turn. This is a feature I've never seen before. This is awesome.
Bear left towards Springfield and then bear left.
So now I'm merging onto the highway.
Bear left towards Springfield.
Where I'll be able to see firsthand some of that renowned BMW and electrical car acceleration. And wow, it is quick. It is very, very quick. I already noticed some of the safety features coming into play. When I was getting close to the dotted line, the steering wheel did give me some vibrations, so some feedback saying that I was departing the lane. Now that I'm on the highway, I'm gonna say, "Hey BMW, get me directions to BMW of West Springfield."
I have found several destinations. Which one should I select?
Number 1.
Okay, I've selected BMW of West Springfield. Should I start the guidance?
Yes, please.
Okay, our next destination is BMW of West Springfield.
And so what's really cool is that on the heads-up display, which I don't know if you could see it from this perspective, but the heads-up display shows up on the glass front windshield right in front of me, and right now it's showing me directions of where I have to go.
Take exit 11 to the right toward West Springfield and then bear right.
The car just noticed the other SUV, or minivan I should say, that pulled in front of me, and used auto braking to slow me down. Now this augmented reality system that's at play is really cool and definitely ensures that you won't be missing any turns while driving the BMW iX.
Turn right onto Walter Street.
As I say that, I missed the turn.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right and then immediately turn right. The expected drive time is 7 minutes. In 700 feet, turn right at the end of the road onto Wasson Avenue and then immediately turn right. Turn right at the end of the road onto Wasson Avenue and then immediately turn right. Turn right at the end of the road onto Main Street.
So now I'm going to play around with some of the different layouts that we have on the dashboard. So here we have the navigation. I have no media connected. Here I'll see turns. I'm going to leave it on this trip data one. I can also change the layout that I see on the dashboard.
In 700 feet, turn left at the traffic light onto Noble Street and then turn left. Turn left onto Noble Street and then turn left.
Overall, driving the BMW iX so far is very comfortable. I've driven many SUVs in my life, and it is very comparable to them. The ride height is a bit higher, so you get to see over the road. And it's not an intimidating drive. It feels very easy, very smooth. You can do one pedal driving, so right now my foot is not on the brake. We're at a standstill completely, using the auto brake hold feature, which you could activate right here. My cell phone is sitting in one of the two phone holders that you have at the front seat of this car. This one is for the driver, and there's one right over there for the passenger. My foot is still not on the brake and we are standing still. And now that the green arrow has meant that we could proceed, we are off.
Turn left toward Holyoke. In half a mile, bear left toward Greenfield.
Blind spot detection coming into play right there.
Bear left toward Greenfield.
While traveling, if I wanted to turn on the radio, for example, just using this music icon toggle on the steering wheel, the heads-up display will show an option showing Sirius XM, FM radio, or the news. If I move to the right, I can select any Bluetooth connected
In 1
devices.
mile, exit right.
Once again, it's definitely an enjoyable drive. And I can't get over this augmented reality directional view that pops up whenever you need to make a
Take
turn.
exit 14 to the right toward Massachusetts Pike.
Like, look at how awesome that is.
Bear left.
And just like that, we are back at our destination.
Arriving at your destination on the left.
Now you could take a look and see how the awesome cameras on the BMW iX help you reverse into your spot perfectly. So the 3D view is helping me right now, knowing that I have a little bit more space on the right than I do on the left, and also that I can see right here I am completely on the sidewalk, not blocking anybody from parking. So an interesting thing about the BMW iX is that pressing P to park is actually just turning on the parking brake. The car, even if I don't press that, parks itself if I simply unlock the door. Once again, this car does come with surround sound Harman Kardon speakers, which I'm sure sound excellent. And I hope you enjoyed this test drive of the brand new 2022 BMW iX. Final thoughts and takeaways: it's an incredibly smooth ride. It does drive like an SUV. It takes bumps well, it takes potholes well. Very intelligent. The thing that I like the most is definitely the augmented reality turn announcements, so you know exactly where you need to go. And overall, it is just a very, very cool car. So that was our full in-depth walk around of the BMW iX. But don't forget, when you purchase a BMW iX, you could also be eligible to save $7,500 with a federal tax credit for purchasing an electric car. And you will also save $2,500 on fuel and gas compared to your standard average new car over the course of 5 years. Not only that, the BMW iX comes with an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the battery, as well as BMW's standard new car warranty of 4 years, 50,000 miles, which cover you from bumper to bumper. So, if you have any more questions on the BMW iX, you'd love to test drive it for yourself, come on down to BMW West Springfield, and we'd love to show you around. Thank you.